Working and stick out the back of the truck, he feisty. How did they play like a Gucci man nigga went brr, and I made him icy. I give a fuck who like me, go walk it off, my nigga go fight.
On chill days like this, like I'm really just in the house on my computer, on my iPad, on my phone. I really just sit down and create content and edit and like just get ahead on all the stuff that I didn't get to edit throughout the day because I do want to post on social media today. So right now I am planning out a mood board. I already have a mood board for Hustlers Vote, the shoot, but I want to like make it cohesive because today is the day where I'm going to be booking my photographer, booking the venue where I'm going to go shoot at, getting the models situated with the times and the style. So I'm creating the mood board today, which I'm going to show you guys. Notion and Canva are my two best friends when it comes to running a business. If you are an entrepreneur and you create content, you need Notion, you need Canva. Please, please, please. It is so beneficial for you to be organized, like you don't even understand. If I didn't have these two platforms, I don't know what I'll be doing, how I'll keep things organized because it's really freaking hard to do that. With Notion, I basically write out content days, what I need to be doing each day. So right now on my Notion, I have like my whole month of December planned out. I have every day I'm supposed to be shooting, what I'm supposed to be doing each specific day. So when I wake up, I'm not like, oh my God, what do I need to do today? No, because when you work for yourself, you need to be organized. Like you just have to be organized. You are not going to succeed if you're not organized and holding yourself accountable, okay? So Notion is good for that. I've already hit up my models. I'm trying to figure out what time works for them. And then I'm going to send out the mood board so that they can see. All right, so let's get into this Canva tutorial. So like I said, I love Canva. I do want to say that I am on the pro version. I just had to get all the benefits out of Canva because I use it that much. I love how easy this platform is to work with. Like, really right now I'm focusing on the model's hair and makeup inspo for them and also the pictures that we're going to be taking for the shoots. But I like using this platform because it helps me create a format where I'm pretty much doing less work, but it looks way better. And it just has a whole bunch of presets. It has frames where I can just put my pictures in, just making it really look like I put in a lot of effort, even though I really did it. It also has a good text presets for you to choose from if you're really looking for some aesthetic text, but don't know how to put two fonts together. They got that for you, okay? Just change the color, do a little change of the font, and voila, like you are literally set. I use this for business cards. I use this to plan out anything with a visual that I need. Canva is going to be that girl for you. And this is how the mood board came out. I have the makeup and the hair inspo set up for each model. And then I have right below it just the sample pictures that I want to be shooting the day of so nobody has questions to ask. Today is the Hustlers Vault shoot day. Super duper freaking excited, like you don't even understand. Waiting for this day for so long. I've been wanting to get this content going for the brand and just see it on some other people, you know, because I've been modeling it for a while. So now I finally got people that's gonna come out, model the clothes, get content for the website and everything. I'm packing up my clothes and everything that I'm going to need today for the shoot. All of this is coming with me. Shoes, accessories, hangers, cameras, lighting. It's 9 o'clock. I want to really start getting ready around like 12. I'm gonna run out, go get some food, and then see where the day takes us. I'm super excited, y'all. I may seem a little, but I'm just ready for the day. I literally been living out of my sets, and that just goes to show you that it's so easy to wear because I keep wearing it. Like, I need to go somewhere real quick, I just throw it on. And the people who bought the sets too say the same thing. I'm like, it's so easy to wear. They just throw it on, and I love that. Like, this set is so easy to wear. Like, I can't wait for y'all to see the whole array of colors because this is not going to be the only color. But enjoy this one for now because it's just like easy. Anybody could wear this, okay? So I'm gonna go get some food and then finish packing up, and then we start getting ready at 12. super duper excited. Oh my god, like y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I'm just ready for the content to be in my hands. So we got a photographer, we got a videographer, we got models. So it's gonna be a day, but it's gonna be a very productive day. And if you know me, I love a good productivity day, okay? We hustling. Hey y'all, it is currently 4 p.m. I finished my hair and makeup. We're about to head to the store, go buy a couple of things that I'm gonna need for the shoot, and then we're headed off to the location. The hair is laid though, but I put on the bands, y'all know, with wigs. I just really wanted to melt. And I'm gonna do my lips when we get to the photo shoot place. So, pretty much the rundown of what's going on. And we need to go now because traffic, babe.
There's no traffic.
Oh, today is
Sunday.
Today is Sunday.
There's no traffic. Yeah, you see how she not just a young.
Bro, come on. Let's go. I told you I didn't want to be waiting for you. Now I'm waiting for you.
Please, please, please. This is perfection. You can't rush perfection.
I'm looking like Megan right now. She's cute.
These hoes I'm doing up, that's why I always do it.
Y'all be a test round. Alright, turn.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
Tell the way you move it. Got me in a trance.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
Tell the way you move it. Got me in a trance.
All these cheeks poppin' pussy, I'm just poppin' bang. Short hair like me alone. Use one, she don't need a loan. She start twerking when she hear a song. Stripper pole her income. We get trippin' and then some. So nasty when she rollin'. She put that ass off in my hands, I remote control it. She give me down when the roof gone. At the KOD, she leave with me. She got friends, bring 3. I got drugs, I got drink. Bend it open, Juicy J gon' poke it like wet paint. You say no to ratchet pussy, Juicy J can't. Racks everywhere, they showing racks, I'm throwing racks. In the VIP, rubber on, I'm stretching that.
Tell the way you move it. Got me in a trance.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
Tell the way you move it. Got me in a trance.
All these cheeks poppin' pussy, I'm just poppin' bang.
Icy, I got ice your charm. Icy, I can get your cocoa, but that photo sent you home. I pulled up in Soho in a Robo Cybertron. I don't care what they on.
I pull up in 20 Cadillacs. Yeah, money long, cheetah down, thick as hell, Georgia down, shine niggas, shine clothes. I don't know what you be on. Y'all go for shit, I wouldn't. I'm up 300. Need a book. Bitch, I don't play for the Nets, but I'm gon' shoot shit up by
Tell the way you move it. Got me in a trance.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
Tell the way you move it. Got me in a trance.
All these cheeks poppin' pussy, I'm just poppin' bang.
Girl, drop it to the floor. Love the way I put it, girl.
I really appreciate y'all for pulling up. This collection is launching in 1 week, next week Sunday. So please tag whenever you post, whatever. Tag my page, both of them. I really appreciate it. But shout out to y'all for making today a success. And cheers to a sellout. Hey y'all. Currently 8:30 and I'm home from the shoot. Today went so great. I'm actually going through like a lot of emotions right now, so I'm probably gonna have to regroup tomorrow and talk to y'all when I can process my thoughts correctly. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm home. And today went really good. I'm happy that I was finally able to shoot my clothes. And everybody that came really came to do what they had to do. Some of them did come late. No shade. I love y'all, but y'all did come late, but it's okay. Expect the unexpected. It's all good. But now I'm home. Super happy. I'm about to change. I'm going out. Don't know what we're doing, but I'm going out with my boyfriend and my best friend. We'll see where the night takes us. Nothing too crazy, but something cute. So I'm going to change out of my set and really just enjoy the rest of the day. Cynthia, shout out to you, girl, because you really... She got me a cake. It low-key messed up, but... Love you, baby. I'm about to change, get into something really nice and cute, and then head out for the night. So I will talk to y'all tomorrow. We're gonna really just regroup on what happened tonight and today. So I love y'all. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It's Monday. It's a new week. It's the next day after the shoot, and I'm currently sitting at my desk looking at my website, just trying to figure out, like, just doing a little tweak here and there. I'm actually about to start going into my pictures and looking through them. Today is just gonna be editing and creating content because we are doing a press run for Hustlers Vote all week. I need to be posting something every day. Today is just me editing. I'll start tomorrow posting and going like that. So I'm super duper excited to finally have the content and make my website how I want my website to be. So I just want to touch base on everything that happened yesterday. I was really delirious after the shoot. I didn't know what was going on. I was just really happy that the shoot was successful. I wasn't vlogging, but my boyfriend, shout out to him, he got my camera and took initiative for that. So shout out to you, Joshua. I love you. And my best friend also was recording. So everybody that came out, thank you again. This was my first shoot ever, like photographer, shooting play, like venue. Like this was my first shoot ever, and it was for my brand. And that just means so much to me because, you know, like investing in your craft is a big deal. You know, I could always just go book a photo shoot for myself for my birthday, but me finally booking a shoot for my brand to put more money in my pocket is really like the joy of it all. And the shoot went very smooth, even though, you know, we had a couple hiccups, but none of the hiccups took away from the success of the shoots. And everybody came and did their thing. Cameras, pictures was on point. And I'm even talking too much. Let me just show y'all some of the content. Let me go get my other phone real quick. Hold on. I just did like a rough little breeze through of the pictures, but you know what I'm saying? Like, get into it. Get into it. Cynthia brought me a cake. Yesterday was really good. Yeah, I felt so loved yesterday. And for that to be my first shoot, I was really in my element. Nothing was awkward. Everything was great. The girls who was wearing the clothes, they loved it. It was like the quality. Like they was really, you know, not even because they came out to model my stuff, but they actually liked the clothes. So copy some. We are dropping on Sunday. By the time I post this video, the line will be live. So go shop if there's even still any left by the time you get to it, okay? But because limited stock only, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna just go through these pictures, clean up, regroup, edit, and really lock in on my computer today. It's Monday, start of the week, brand new week, brand new goals and to-do list, okay? So I hope you guys are doing great, and thank you for following along on this journey. Let's just take the day how we take it today.
Yeah, money long, cheetah down, thick as hell, Georgia down, shine niggas, shine clothes. I don't know what you be on. Y'all go for shit, I wouldn't. I'm a